Hi guys, good afternoon. Again, Tuesday, 22nd of April. This video is for Australians or for people travelling abroad from their home country. We're talking about your expectations if you need to use your embassy while you're overseas. Some of you may have had some experience. Generally, the experience in using an embassy, the expectation is that the embassy will help you while you're overseas if you get stuck or you have a problem or you run out of money or something like that. From an Australian perspective, I can tell you that that's not the case. The embassy does not assist you in any way, apart from perhaps notifying your family back home in Australia or in your home country. For Australians, the embassy will not help you with financial assistance, with flights or anything like that. They are not forthcoming at all in that aspect. The consular services for Australians travelling overseas are very limited, and this has happened over the last 10 years while there have been cuts to public servants in the Australian government. You will also find for most embassies these days, the frontline staff in the embassy are not your countrymen. They're generally employed from local staff. So if you expect to go to the embassy and be able to have confidential discussions, you are going to be disappointed, because you could find yourself pretty well facing local staff. If you're in Thailand or France or the UK, the frontline employees will be citizens of that country. They won't be Australian citizens. You need to get up to first consul or ambassador level before you actually get to speak to an Australian citizen or a citizen from your own country, which is pretty disappointing, because if you want to discuss confidential stuff, that's a bit of a letdown. This is all because of government cutbacks in most countries, including Australia. So just to let you know, when you're travelling, don't expect to get assistance from your embassy much more than getting them to contact your family back home. That's about the limit of what the embassy will do for you these days. So be prepared to deal with your own problems if we're travelling overseas and you do have a problem, because the embassy will not be a very good friend to you, and at times they can actually feel like an enemy. They can basically tell you that they can't help you any further and please don't contact them again, which can be very disconcerting if you're stuck overseas. So enjoy your travelling, but just be very careful and don't have extra high expectations of your embassy, because they are very limited in what they can or will do to assist you. If they think you've got some sort of problem locally, they will just refer you to a local lawyer or the local police. That's all. Take care when you're travelling and have a good time. Okay, cheers now.